Welcome to TABopts Active Projects. What we'd like to show you today is the main project screen that you'll use when you're managing any project. As you can see here, you have the project number, you have the project status, which you can change as the job goes through, from awarded to scheduled to in progress and more. You can also modify these to put your own project status in here as well. You also have scope of work. So as you built the quote out in the proposal module, it shows your scope of work. You have your award date and your tentative start date. You also have your actual start date when you actually begin the work. Tentative start date you put in just as when you think you'll start the work. Request completion date and completion date. Along with that, if you use TABopts reporting, you can simply view reports here as well. Again, your information for architect, engineer, all be listed here. If you have any special remarks that you put in before or even currently now, so your special instructions maybe badge entry to get into the job site, for example, you need more estimate remarks, you have these fields available. You also have all the information transferred from your proposal directly here to the screen. Your customer contact, your controls type, for example, here. Your site contact, if you know what that is, and then you also have project coordinator. We also have the feature available that if you want to email Robert quickly from the screen here, you can double click on it. It opens up an Outlook document. As you can see, it has his email address and then the subject title and the project number simply associated with that. This way you can send communication quickly if you need to get that. That works for any time you have a name associated on the screen here. So I could do it for Derek Hedrick here, Robert, I had site contact listed, it all works. You also have a map it button for technicians. So if you need a map now that they don't have Google, you can print out a map to give to them. You'll see here in the light gray box, this is some great information. You have your proposal number, your generator, your actual bid date, your bid amount, your bid hours. You also have your actual man hours and below. So as you schedule the job, it actually lists your actual schedule piece here. You can also type in a PO. So if you know what the PO number is, type in 9874. So now you have your PO into the TABopts screen there. You also can show your sum of change orders, sum of alternates, contractor total, retainage, build. So if you want to do a 10% retainage, just simply type in 10. You have that information easily to keep track of that information. All the information to the right here we have in future videos. If you'll take a look at the open project folder video, you can see how all this works, including the change orders, including punch list items, etc. Thank you for looking at our project screen. Please visit tabopts.com to see more information.